Making healthier choices doesn't have to mean overhauling your entire diet overnight. Sometimes the most effective changes come from simple, everyday swaps that add up to a big difference over time. Whether you're looking to boost your energy, feel better, or support long-term wellness, these 10 simple swaps can help you build a healthier diet starting today. Let's begin with breakfast. Many people start their day with sugary cereals or white toast, which can cause your blood sugar to spike and then crash, leaving you feeling tired mid-morning. A simple swap here is to trade refined grains for whole grains. Try replacing white bread with whole grain or sprouted grain bread. Choose oatmeal made from whole rolled oats instead of instant flavored packets. Whole grains are packed with fiber, which helps you feel full longer, supports digestion, and can help stabilize blood sugar levels. Plus, they bring a richer, nuttier flavor and more nutrients to your morning routine. Next, think about your beverages. It's easy to underestimate how much sugar sneaks in through drinks. Instead of reaching for soda or sweetened iced tea, consider swapping in sparkling water with a squeeze of lemon or a splash of 100% fruit juice. If you're a coffee lover, opt for unsweetened versions or add a dash of cinnamon instead of sugar. Over time, your taste buds adapt, and you'll find you crave less sweetness. When it comes to snacks, many people reach for chips or crackers, which are often high in salt and low in nutrients. A healthy snack swap is to choose air-popped popcorn instead. Popcorn is a whole grain, and when you skip the butter and go easy on the salt, it's a light and satisfying snack. You can add your own seasonings, like smoked paprika, garlic powder, or a sprinkle of nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor without the extra calories. Another easy switch is trading out creamy salad dressings and sauces for lighter homemade alternatives. Bottled dressings can be loaded with unhealthy fats and added sugars. Instead, try drizzling your salads with olive oil and balsamic vinegar, or make a quick dressing by mixing Greek yogurt with lemon juice, herbs, and a touch of mustard. Greek yogurt is rich in protein and probiotics, which support gut health, and using it as a base for dressings, dips, or even sandwich spreads is a great way to boost nutrition. Let's talk about protein. Processed meats like bacon, sausage, and deli meats are common in many diets, but they can be high in sodium and preservatives. Try swapping processed meats for lean proteins such as grilled chicken, turkey, tofu, or legumes like chickpeas and lentils. These options are lower in saturated fat and provide essential nutrients like iron, magnesium, and fiber. For sandwiches, use sliced grilled chicken breast or mashed chickpeas with a touch of olive oil and spices for a satisfying, healthier filling. Pasta is a staple in many households, but traditional pasta made from refined flour can be lacking in fiber and nutrients. Consider swapping regular pasta for whole wheat, legume-based, or even spiralized vegetable noodles like zucchini or sweet potato. These alternatives pack more fiber, vitamins, and minerals into your meal, and they hold up well to any sauce you love. Plus, they're a fun way to add more vegetables to your diet. Cooking oils are another place where small changes have a big impact. Instead of using butter or margarine for cooking, try switching to heart-healthy oils like extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil. These oils are rich in monounsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol and support heart health. A little goes a long way, and they add a delicate flavor to your dishes. For dessert, it's tempting to reach for cookies, cakes, or candy. Instead, satisfy your sweet tooth with naturally sweet options like fresh fruit, a handful of berries, or baked apples sprinkled with cinnamon. You can also make simple fruit-based desserts, like frozen banana nice cream, blended with a splash of vanilla extract. These swaps provide vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber without the added sugars and empty calories. Another simple but powerful swap is to move from heavy cream-based soups to broth-based or pureed vegetable soups. Cream-based soups often contain high amounts of saturated fat and calories, while broth-based or pureed soups made from vegetables like carrots, squash, or tomatoes are lighter but still filling. Add beans or lentils for extra protein and fiber, and season with herbs and spices for flavor without excess salt. Finally, pay attention to your portion sizes. Sometimes it's not just what we eat, but how much. Use smaller plates and bowls to help control portions, and try serving sauces and dressings on the side so you can add just what you need. When eating out, consider sharing entrees or packing up half for later. Mindful eating, taking the time to savor your food and listen to your hunger cues, can help you feel satisfied with less. Adopting healthier habits doesn't have to be overwhelming. By making these 10 simple swaps, you're taking small but meaningful steps toward better nutrition and overall well-being. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Every healthy choice you make adds up over time, creating a foundation for a vibrant, energetic, and balanced life. Start with 1 or 2 swaps, and as they become habits, add a few more. Listen to your body, celebrate your successes, and enjoy discovering new flavors and foods along the way. With a little creativity and intention, eating well can be simple, delicious, and deeply rewarding.